Be sure to park with the charge port as close to the charger as possible. Next, take out your smartphone and open the Volvo Cars app. Navigate to the map screen. Zoom in on the map to find the charging station you are parked at. Note that only compatible stations will show in the map. You will see the charger details, including real-time availability, charging speed, and price. Find and tap the number of the charger you're parked at. It's important to note that only charging stations that can be used and paid for through the Volvo Cars app will be displayed. If you cannot view the chargers, it means they will need to be used and paid for outside of the Volvo Cars app. Next, after you select the station number you are at, tap the available connector. Then tap Start Charging. Plug the charger in. If you are using a Volvo-approved charging adapter, connect the adapter to the charge cable first, then connect the charge cable to the car. Your car will automatically recognize the charging station. Ensure the charging adapter is plugged in all the way. Wait until the LED light in your car's charging port flashes green, which indicates charging is in progress.